singing this song to you. You told my precious secrets of a true love, withholding nothing. You came out in front and I was hiding.
Welcome to another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. This week we're in New Kingston. Now for the next half an hour, it's all about interviews, fashions, music videos, and so much more. Stay tuned, your Pree Dis journey starts right now. Miss Universe Jamaica 2018, Emily Maddison is currently in Bangkok, Thailand, competing in the Miss Universe finals. Before she left, we caught up with her at her wardrobe showcase. Let's check out the pieces.
So Emily, tonight you showcase pieces of your wardrobe taking to the Miss Universe finals. What are your thoughts about the pieces?
They were all very stylish, and I'm so grateful for my models for modeling it so well. Every piece I fell in love with all over again.
Is there a personal favorite, tell me?
Well, I can't really choose. It was all super, super cute, and everything is for a different event. So, you know, I'll be the most stylish in whenever I need.
What's your personal style?
Well, I'm definitely a t-shirt and shorts kind of girl, but I do enjoy dressing up sometimes, so this is a perfect opportunity for me to do that.
How has the reign as Miss Universe Jamaica 2018 been going so far? I mean, what are you enjoying most about it?
Well, definitely the adventures. I'm a very adventurous person, so every day I get to try something new, meet new people. It's always fresh and it's always uplifting. And at the same time, I love that the platform gives me a space where I can really sell my organization and I can make more people aware of the problems that our country is facing through my organization. So thank you.
So you're now going off to Miss Universe to compete. What are you looking forward to most about going to Thailand?
I know that everyone who has found out that I'm going to Thailand, always the first thing they say is the food is amazing. So that's definitely the first thing I'm waiting on. I can't wait to try the food because I love my food, I love my spices, and that's what them said I'm good at, so I'm ready.
And how are you preparing for the finals? I mean, what's your game plan?
Well, definitely just a lot of reading, a lot of self-realization and introspection, because you want to be your most confident and your most you when you're there. And at the same time, you know, speech training, walk training, gym training, because it's an overall package and you have to work on every aspect of it so that you can do your best and give your best shot out there.
After the break, Naomi Cowan talks about Paradise Plum and Ratigan drops a new video. We'll be right back.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place crackle. No, we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit